Passive income used to be a buzzword thrown around by people selling courses or unrealistic promises. But in 2025, technology finally made it possible for beginners to earn real money with simple, repeatable systems that don't require special skills or full-time effort. The truth is, passive income doesn't mean do nothing. In this video, we are going to talk about passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. 1. Digital products powered by AI. Digital products remain the king of passive income in 2025 because you build something once, upload it, and earn forever. What makes this even easier today is AI. Platforms like Canva AI, ChatGPT, and Midjourney have transformed product creation. You don't need to be a designer, writer, or expert anymore. AI does the heavy lifting, and you assemble the final product. Digital products come in many forms: planners, checklists, resume templates, wall art, fitness journals, social media kits, business worksheets, and even digital kids coloring pages. Once you upload them to places like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify, customers buy them over and over without requiring new inventory or shipping. A single planner price at $7 to $12 can sell hundreds of times. A good Etsy shop with 20 to 40 digital products can generate thousands per month without additional work. The magic of digital products is that scaling requires no extra effort. You can sell the same file 1,000 times without spending a dollar on printing. Many beginners start with Canva's AI templates and gradually learn what sells best. In just a few weeks, a digital shop can turn into a real passive income engine. 2. Faceless YouTube automation. YouTube has always been one of the best passive income sources because once a video is uploaded, it can earn money for years. But in 2025, faceless channels exploded thanks to AI tools like Descript, 11 Labs, Pica Labs, and Synthesia. These tools let beginners make videos without recording themselves, talking on camera, or editing manually. The workflow is simple. ChatGPT writes the script, 11 Labs generates a voiceover, stock footage or AI animation covers the visuals, and editing tools like Descript or CapCut assemble everything. Once the video is uploaded, you earn from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. The beauty of this system is that you don't need to be famous or have a charismatic personality. You simply pick a topic: finance, productivity, AI news, motivation, travel facts, mysteries, and build content around it. Some people upload 2 to 3 videos per week and slowly build a library of evergreen content. Even if each video earns just $2 to $5 per day, a channel with 60 videos becomes a passive income machine. With consistency, faceless YouTube is one of the easiest no-skill passive income ideas in 2025. 3. Print on demand. Print on demand is one of the simplest hands-off online businesses. You create a design, upload it to a platform, and the company prints and ships the product when someone buys it. You don't handle inventory, packaging, or delivery. Your design becomes your digital asset that repeatedly earns money. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, Printify, and Zazzle make the entire process beginner-friendly. AI tools like Canva AI and Midjourney allow you to create stylish graphics, funny t-shirt phrases, aesthetic patterns, or unique art prints without knowing design software. You can upload designs for shirts, hoodies, tote bags, phone cases, mugs, stickers, and posters. Some products sell every day, others may only sell occasionally. The more designs you upload, the more passive income potential you build. Some creators upload 10 to 20 designs per week and end up with hundreds of items in their stores. Even if a design only earns $1 to $5 per sale, those sales add up across dozens of items. The best part is that even if you stop uploading, your existing designs continue to sell. It's a slow build system, but over time, print on demand becomes a reliable, low-maintenance income stream. 4. Affiliate marketing with simple content. Affiliate marketing used to require big blogs or complicated websites, but 2025 made it much simpler. Platforms like Beacons, Standstore, and Linktree allow anyone to create a free page where they list their favorite products with affiliate links. You earn a commission when someone buys through those links. You don't need a huge following. Simple evergreen content on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest can drive regular clicks. Even one content piece can earn for months, making it truly passive over time. Amazon, Walmart, Sephora, Canva, Adobe, and hundreds of tech brands offer affiliate programs. AI tools make the process simple. ChatGPT can create product reviews, listicle scripts, or short content ideas. Canva AI helps you create visuals. One 30-second video reviewing a $20 gadget can get thousands of views. If even 1 to 2% of viewers click and buy, you earn commissions repeatedly without doing any work after the post. This is one of the most passive, beginner-friendly ways to earn online in 2025. 5. Real estate rentals that produce monthly cash flow. Real estate has always been a reliable passive income source, but in 2025 it became more accessible thanks to fractional investing and digital platforms. You no longer need to save tens of thousands of dollars to buy property. Many apps allow you to invest small amounts into rental homes and receive a share of the rental income every month. This turns real estate into a truly passive income stream without the stress of being a full-time landlord. For those who do have a little more capital, small rental units like tiny homes, studios, or basement apartments can bring predictable monthly income. You set up the property once, list it on long-term rental platforms, screen tenants, and then enjoy steady rent with minimal maintenance. Even a single-room rental in a shared house can cover utility bills or bring an extra $200 to $500 monthly. Traditional landlords often upgrade properties with smart locks or cameras so they can manage everything remotely. The more units you collect, the more your rental cash flow compounds, turning real estate into one of the most stable long-term passive income ideas available today. 6. Passive crypto income. Crypto isn't just about buying and selling anymore. In 2025, passive crypto income became more stable and beginner-friendly thanks to staking and automated yield accounts. Staking allows you to lock your crypto tokens in a network and receive rewards in return. It works like earning interest from a savings account, except the rates can be much higher depending on the token and platform. Many popular coins offer staking options with simple interfaces that even beginners can use safely. Another method is automated crypto savings accounts. These platforms pay you a daily yield for simply holding your funds with them. They use low-risk strategies like liquidity pools or lending while you receive a share of the returns. You don't need trading skills, charts, or technical analysis. You deposit, let it sit, and check the rewards over time. This makes crypto income almost completely hands-off. 7. Car rentals as passive income. Car rentals turned into one of the most surprising passive income trends of 2025. Apps now allow you to rent out your car when you're not using it, similar to Airbnb but for vehicles. If you have a car that spends most of its time parked, you can list it and earn daily rental fees. The process is automated. Rent is booked through the platform, insurance is covered, and payment are handled by the app. All you do is hand over the keys or use remote access if your car supports it. Some beginners even buy affordable used cars specifically to rent them out. A reliable car rented a few times a week can bring in $400 to $1,000 monthly depending on demand and location. As long as you maintain the vehicle and keep it clean, it becomes a semi-passive asset that pays for itself. People living in busy cities or tourist areas earn even more because demand stays consistent all year. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.